Good morning! We're ready again for our new cruise ship, third cruise ship. So, we stayed here for one night after our two cruise ships, and then now we're getting out again, checking out for our last cruise ship, third cruise ship. It will be 11 days. So, by the way, this is our window view. Same hotel from the first time came here in Singapore. So the first day we came here. So this is gonna be our hotel until the end of our third cruise ship. We'll be back here after 11 days. We will stay again here for 2 days. So this is the front side of the hotel. So and then they upgrade our room for free. Now we're going to our third cruise ship. So let's see you there, guys. Our bags are ready. My honey is ready too, and I'm ready also. So we will not eat breakfast to be ready for the food again. We will be there probably like 12. We will be in the ship already for maybe about 12 o'clock. So hopefully the queue will not be too long and will not be so easy to get in the ship. So let's see you there. Bye for now. So guys, these are the people that was checked in this hotel, and also they're going to the cruise ship, which is the Diamond Princess. So I just found that many Filipinos, or there was a group of Filipinos that are going to this cruise ship also. So as of now, we're waiting for our Grab, which is $16 going there, and when we came here it was about $22. So there was a big difference. So now we are in check-in section, and then they are trying to check our documents. Like they will take our passport and they will check our ticket for the cruise ship, and also they will give us the medallion, which is the key for our room, and also they will take us pictures to have the record that we checked in, and that picture will be used in our door as a mark that it's our room for both of us. So see you there, guys. We're here again. They will take our passport. Took our passport. Thank you. Passport receipt. Thank you. So we got our passport receipt. We already gave our passport to them. So we're going in to the princess. So if we lost this one, they will not give our passport.
No, it's not. You don't have to have that in your passport. It's just tell me when you get it back. That's all.
Ah, okay.
So you won't be wondering, when will you get my passport back? I think they get a lot of people. If you don't get back, it goes to the debt service. I don't want to get my passport. I don't know when I get it back. I don't want my passport back.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. We're all set.
Okay.
I can't get my passport.
Yay! Go to another cruise ship. That's Diamond Princess. We're here again. Happy?
Always happy on the cruise.
He loves cruises.
Elevation of the seas.
This is the third.
Like it.
No,
I didn't like the crabs.
this is the third cruise ship that we had this month. So, yeah. Until February. So we're getting in.
This buffet will be the same size.
Yeah. We're getting in. Huh?
Just get in and go down the stairs wherever you can. We're third level again.
Third level. Medallion? Honey, you ready? Your medallion.
I told you you had it.
Maybe your medallion.
Yeah, it's here.
Jeff?
Yep.
You don't have picture yet?
They didn't took picture of me.
Yeah, is it outside?
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. I was busy.
That's right, I told you have to keep it out. You don't should put it over.
I was busy filming because I need to turn off. They didn't stop me from filming. Honey, we are at the.
No, he's 8.
Huh?
Gotta go up to.
Oh, really?
He is 8.
So we're here inside the ship. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, there's Santa Fe dining room.
You have to go up. Come on.
Maybe there's elevator here. Ooh. Maybe there's elevator in this area, honey. Elevator? Let's check. This is elevator.
These people with
No, I don't think so. There's. It's
No, this- yeah,
it's
yeah.
not working
that's
yet.
for suites.
Ah, okay.
Come on.
Okay, okay. So third cruise ship.
Sir, do you have a drink package already? With the internet? Yeah, but you have the number.
So this is. Where's our room?
309 is right in here. We're right here, so we gotta go that way. These rods want to go on that side.
We're looking for a room.
Left, left, left.
你在后面呐、
你在后面。
这个人呢？
Which way?
Let's see.
415, 411.
Go all the way down to 309.
309. Oh my gosh.
This time we're on the opposite end of the thing.
I go to 309. Our room is 309. 319. 315. 309 is here. Ooh, may see. Ta-da! Welcome to our room. Oh, it's kind of nice. Wow, I like it.
We gotta put our bag somewhere where nobody will see it.
Wow, this is good.
Right in here.
Guys, our room is here. It's nice. Wow. It's good. Welcome home. Welcome to our room. Should it? Ay! Gosh. My laptop. It's a room. Nice.
See, it's not opening, so I don't know if you want to leave them in. Jeff, this is my name. That is on our names right here. But let's put the bags under the bed, okay?
Under the bed? Okay. Guys, that's it for today's video. So we finished our checking in and now we're in the room. So we will have our lunch and Jeff is hiding our bags because we're not yet done with our checking in. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.